Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to fade your acne scars. This remedy works for fading dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It also fades dark circles, which is highly requested. Its results are amazing and it's really safe to all of your body as well. You can use it to lighten your armpits. If you got dark armpits, you can apply on your knees and on your hands for suntan. The possibilities are endless to keep watching my video how I lighten my pigmentation acne scars. If you don't have subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it. This mask is so effective. It removes hyperpigmentation, acne scars and dark spots. Lemon juice has citric acid, which is natural lightening agent. Potato is also a bleaching agent that is good for lightening hyperpigmentation and dark circles. Rice flour is amazing for skin lightening. It's perfect for oily skin. It absorbs excess oil from your face. It has vitamin B. It helps with collagen and elasticity of your skin. Please hit the subscribe button if you like the video and share the video as well, because I really want to support my channel and I love you guys to subscribe my channel. And if you don't yet follow me on Instagram and Facebook, please go ahead and do so to see my recipes. Stay tuned for further videos. Share the video as well. Take care. Till then, my next video. Allah Hafiz.